You're busy, right? And you think that's the problem. But being busy isn't the thing that is killing your energy. It's not the hours, it's not the workload, it's not even the discipline. It's the lie you're telling yourself about progress. Because somewhere along the way, movement replaced direction. And nobody told you that those two things are not the same. You post every single day, you consume content nonstop, you tweak, adjust, optimize, experiment. On paper, you're doing everything right. But here's the part nobody wants to say out loud. Most people aren't building anything. They are just staying busy enough to avoid confronting the fact that nothing is compounding. Yeah, busy feels productive, busy feels safe, busy gives you something to point when the results are not showing up. I worked hard, I stayed consistent, I didn't quit, and all of that can be true. Well, you go absolutely nowhere. The exhaustion you feel, that's not from effort, that's from fragmentation. Your energy is split across too many disconnected things. Your attention is being spent, not invested. Every day you reset back to zero because nothing is linked to the thing before it. You're pushing, but there's no flywheel. Structure is what turns effort into momentum. Without it, every task is heavy. Every decision costs willpower. Every win feels small and temporary. So you woke up tired, even when you're motivated. Not because you lack drive, but because nothing is carrying off. Effort without structure doesn't reward you, it punishes you, my friend. And to be honest, it teaches your nervous system that work equals fatigue instead of progress. That consistency equals burnout instead of leverage. And eventually your body starts resisting the very things you say you wanted. That's why so many driven people feel stuck. Not lazy, not unambitious, just drained because being busy kept them distracted long enough to miss the real problem. Once you see that, you can't unsee